No, seriously, what is this place?
This is heaven.
Yes, this is heaven. Welcome back, guys. We are here to show you the beauties of our village. I'm telling you the truth. Yes, please, let's enjoy. I never seen like this before because it's number one.
Whether you like him and don't like him, there's nothing you could do about him because he's number one.
Oh, what a beautiful wet wheat. I love it because it's very, very bit. It is very, very crazily. Oh, I'm kidding. This is our village. And it's very, very beautiful. Enjoy this place. Oh, what the fuck? It's a fox. It is very interesting. In our village, you can find anything. These beautiful views, and interesting animal, horses, fox. Cow, donkey, monkey. I'm kidding, no monkey. Very wild snakes and wolves, And these wolves very, very wild. I'm telling you. So, by the way, come here to be fun together and enjoy these views. Wait for you. Come here. Come to BOZAZNA. Yes, my village name is BOZAZNA. Yes. Come here and enjoy these very, very delicious cherries. I love you, I love that. And this is the rice, our rice. You can come here and enjoy our village and wait for you.